Welcome back to my channel. Today I cannot wait to show you this. This is the Clear Jelly Stamper Christmas box. I think it's new this year. I purchased it from AR Nail Supply. I will link her in the description below. I don't know if there's any more. I don't know if they're still selling. I didn't look as of today, but this is all full of clear jelly stamper goodies that you can use for Christmas. I guess you could probably use the rest of the stuff for any time, but I can't wait to get into it and get this open and get using these things. So if you're interested to see what's in this box, just keep watching. Is the new Clear Jelly Stamper Christmas box. Can you guys see that? You can. Oh, I gotta get this lighting fixed. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, all right. Let's push you guys up here more. Oh my gosh. Okay, where do I begin? Okay, so first of all, I have this red stamper. Let's open it. Oh my god. And it comes with the scraper as well. Scraper. Pretty. And the stamper. And you know what? This stamper here, I'm sure this stamper is a magnifying glass. I'm like, it makes you see better, which I need because I'm old. Anyways, and then this is the actual, oh, can't get it open. The stamper. Oh God, the stamper's on that. The stamper got stuck in there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But anyways, here's the stamper. Here's the, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that open. That's weird. So, and this is steel. So this is rugged. I like this. So there's that in there. All right, next is, some mixing marbles for your polishes. There's a little pack of mixing marbles. I'm gonna keep them in here so that I don't lose them, but they're actually really handy to have once your polishes get all gooped up. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a stand. I got a stand with the magnetic little posts, and inside it has the stickies, the clear stickies to put on the little pieces for when you're doing your designs. Oh my god, I love it. Love it. I'm so excited. That is awesome. Yay. I don't want to get things mixed up here. What else did I get? Oh, I got a clear jelly pump bottle. Clear jelly pump bottle. Nice. I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's so much in here, you guys. Okay, what's next? This is these are scrapers. Credit card style scrapers. It's a hollow. I can't ever say that. It's hollow. They're, oh my god, there's 3 of them, and they're like thick, very thick. So package of 3 of these. Nice. Yay. Oh, it fell out. This is called Happiness Cuticle Oil, and it fell out. But it's a little sample of the Happiness Cuticle Oil. Let's smell it. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh, is it ever lovely. Oh my god. So nice. Happiness, guys, that's what it's called. Happiness Cuticle Oil. It's a little sample, but I'm sure you can get full size. Oh my goodness. Oh, so more stuff. Oh my goodness. 2, 4, 6, 7. Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 7 shades. 7 different 7 different stamping polishes. I'm not going to take them all out. I will tell you, one is a red, one is a gold, one is a blue, one is a green. Or is that gray? I'm not sure if that's gray or green. And one is another red. Well, one is a red and one's like a shimmery red. And this one looks like, I'm not sure, dark green maybe. And this one is silver. So I can give you the numbers of them. 004, 32, 77, 62, 61, 20, and 63. I will show you them through the box so that you can kind of see. So gold, gold. And then the shimmery red. This is a shimmery green. This is a regular green and a blue. And 2 left. These are, see, I don't know what color this is. Let me open this. I'm not sure if this is silver or if this is 004. Yeah, see, it doesn't really tell me. It's a silver and just a regular red. So these are all the 5 mil size. Okay, that's a lot of polishes. I'm so excited. Okay, next, some glitter, a bag of white glitter. And what's next? This is a sticky pad. So this is the clear jelly sticky pads. And I was going to order these and I never ever did. I do have this one from Flora. I have this one from Flora Nail Shop. And I know Flora, I used to order it from Talia, but Talia went out, she's got rid of her shop. So I don't know where else you can get them from, but it's like a roller. So I do have this one, but I always wanted to try these. So these ones are in the box. So it's a pad, sticky pad. So I don't know how many are in there, but it's got a cover on it to cover your sticky pads. Lovely. And oh my God, there's more. Holy cow. Oh my God. And I've got 1, 2, 3 large plates and a small plate. So let's move this out of here. I have this one, which is Christmas. I'm trying to find the number on it here. C78. And I'm trying, so I don't know where to put it so you guys can see it the best with this broken light situation. Okay, and then I have C82, bunch of Santas and reindeers, and they are like the most adorable things you've ever seen. And then this one is C81. So again, Christmas. And these ones are like a builder one. So Santas and reindeers, there's some penguins on it. Oopsie. And then I received one C77. It's the smaller ones, and it's got Santas and cat bulbs and like Jetson, like futuristic one. And it is so, so cute. So can you believe, what is this? Can you believe all of these things were inside that box? This is incredible. Oh, I forgot this too, sorry. It was stuck on my hand. Like all of these items were inside this box. What a tremendous deal. Like this is so, like it's steel, so it is so rugged. I love it. Oh my gosh. So many things. I can't wait to try them. All in all, this was such a super deal. In all, this was an amazing deal. Amazing. You get so much for your bang for your buck. It is just amazing. I would highly suggest seeing if you can still get them. I will link where I got mine below. I don't know if they're still available, but I did want to show you what was in them. So a great deal, and I cannot wait to use this. Until next time, bye guys, and keep those nails pretty.